we shall not allow, because we have seen a judge even purporting to injunct Parliament from carrying out public participation, which is a constitutional requirement. Your Excellency, as we have said before, we shall not allow both or either judicial autocracy or executive autocracy in this country, Your Excellency. And we say that as a people's representatives. It is a constitutional duty of Parliament to carry out public participation. Therefore, Your Excellency, as we keep saying, when we are checking on you and your government to make sure there is no executive autocracy, we shall also check on the judiciary to ensure there is no judicial autocracy. Nikimalizia, Your Excellency, nimesema leo tunampumzisha mzee hapa. Watu wa Meru, Your Excellency, unajua wako na kijana rika ya senator wetu Medho. Kijana alikuwa anaitwa Sniper, who was a social media activist or a blogger, mwenye aliuawa. And Your Excellency, because we have said you are the dispensation, the third dispensation of our republic that you are leading today is to ensure social and economic justice. Your Excellency, nafurahi DCI wanafanya juhudi kuhakikisha that those who killed that young man in Meru County are brought to justice. And I want to take this opportunity to also ask, because we have laid to rest Mzee Michael today. The family of Sniper in Meru are yet to lay him to rest, awaiting justice. We want to ask both DCI and the office of the DPP to expedite the investigations and ensure that those who killed that young man are brought to justice and charged before court. Because, Your Excellency, as you promised when you were sworn in, the era of political persecution and executions must be behind us in our republic. We must have a country where the rule of law and justice and are the order of the day rather than the exception. With those many remarks, acha nikomee hapo, na kwa heshima sana nimuulize speaker wetu wa Senate ambaye ni